Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a dotted line in Autocad. This is a very useful skill for creating construction lines, hidden details, reference paths, and technical drawings that need clear visual distinction. First, begin by drawing a normal line in your Autocad workspace. You can use the standard line tool and create the line exactly where you want the dotted effect to appear. This regular line will later be converted into a dotted line using Linetype settings. Once your line is ready, move to the command line and type L-type, then press Enter. This opens the Linetype Manager window, where Autocad stores all available line styles for your drawing. Inside the Linetype Manager, you can either load a default Autocad line type or import a custom dotted line style if you already downloaded one. Autocad includes several built-in options such as dashed, hidden, center, and dotted patterns that are commonly used in technical drafting. After choosing the dotted line style you want, click OK to load it into your drawing. Now return to your line and select it. Then go to the Home tab and locate the Properties section. Here you'll see the Line Type drop-down menu besides settings like color and line weight. Open the drop-down list and select the dotted line type you just loaded. Your line should immediately change from a solid line into a dotted or dashed pattern. If the dots appear too small or too large, you can adjust the line type scale to improve visibility and match your drawing scale more accurately. This simple method makes it easy to add professional detail and better organization to your Autocad projects. Understanding line types is an essential drafting skill that improves both readability and presentation quality. Thanks for watching and happy drawing with Autocad. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.